Hello and welcome to Farm Matters. In this tutorial we will be looking at the tag replacement function. If you begin by clicking the sheep tab at the top of the page and then flock and events, this will bring up all of your flocks. Choose a flock and right click and scroll to events and then tag replacement. This will then bring up a screen with 5 options. Each option has a specific job which we will go through together. The first option is simply replacing the current year tag number with a brand new one. To do this, if we click on the option replace tag with a new number, this will then bring up a screen which you can then populate with the correct information. The date the tag was replaced, the location, the flock and what type of animal it was. In this box we will input the old tag number and underneath the new tag number. We click next. This will bring up a screen which will give you the option to add notes. If you're happy, click next again and we will come to the final screen. You will notice a box with a 1 in it. This is to let you know that you are dealing with one animal to replace one tag. If you're happy, you can then click finish and this will then add the tag replacement to the program. The second option will replace the current physical tag with another tag, but it will continue to display the same number. The third option is for when you do not know the original tag number and you wish to tag it with a brand new identification number. The fourth option is for you to upgrade the slaughter tags to individual tags. We will discuss slaughter tags in more depth a little later in the video. The fifth and last option is for when you wish to enter tag replacement numbers manually using a free text system. It is important, however, to note that if you do use this option, it will not update your individual sheep records. You have learned how to do a tag replacement from the flock screen. You can also do a tag replacement for an animal on an individual basis. If you click on the tab for individual sheep, locate at the top and choose any animal, and then click on events, and then tag replacement, and choose the first option, replace tag with a new number. You can see we get this screen again. If we populate the information, the date the tag was replaced, the location, which flock it was from, and what type of animal it was, and then enter the new tag number, which we will do here. If we then click next, again, we have a screen where we can add any notes we wish to add at this point, and then the final screen, which again tells you you are replacing one animal's ear tag. If you're happy with the information you have input, click finish. You'll then notice the ear tag number has now changed with the new identification number. To upgrade slaughter tag numbers, you simply go to Flock and Events tab at the top of the page. If you select any flock and right click and choose Events and then Tag Replacements, you can then choose the Upgrade Slaughter Tags option. This will then bring up a screen which you will need to input the information required and then click Next. Input the location, the flock and the sheep type. We then click Next. By choosing the range feature, which is the light blue arrow in the middle, this will allow you to choose the range of ear tags you would like. You simply input the flock mark and which number you would like it to start at and how many. In this example, I will use 20. As you can see in the preview, it's showing you the numbers that will be used. If we then click OK, you'll see the program has now generated you 20 new tags to be replaced. Another feature of the program is that on an individual animal records will show you all previous tag numbers and when they were changed. If you choose an animal and right click on it and choose View Edit Animal, this will bring up the record card. You will see next to the ear tag number a green box. This indicates that the animal has had an ear tag number change at some point. The number represents how many times this has happened. If you click on the green box, it then shows you a history of the VTag, the VTag number and the date that this was input. To edit a tag replacement, go to your individual sheep screen, choose any animal and choose View Edit History. This will bring up the event history for that animal. If you choose the event you wish to edit and click the blue pencil, this will then bring up a screen which shows you the previous old ear tag number and the current ear tag number. If you wish to edit this, we will choose this number so it's easy to recognise on the screen. We are trying to edit the C1 animal. If we click Save, Close, you will notice now the ear tag number has been edited to the one we wish. To undo a tag replacement is simple. We choose the Past Events tab at the top of your screen and find Tag Replacements. We then right click on the event that we would like to replace, click Management and then Undo Tag Replacement. This screen is a confirmation that you would like to delete the particular record of one tag replacement. If you're happy, you can then click Yes and Close, and this event has now been deleted from the program. Hopefully, some of the things you have watched will help you maximise your use of the program. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and click the subscribe button below.